after a year of riding the bike and reaches about 40,000 kilometers of mileage, it's time for a major overhauling. And the engine has come off. It doesn't have a heart right now, but it's okay. There are a few things that we're going to do to it. One is the dowel cam. Two, we're going to change the bearings and the gaskets. And three, we're going to add some stuff to it, which one is the plug coil. It's going to be a new one from Uma Racing. Another thing is this part is going to come off. Right now what I'm using is the Supremo. They don't even have a brand, but I'm taking this off and I'm going to replace it with a new RCB DB2 Line Monoshock. Just to recap, changing the bearings, upgrade some parts, dowel cam. We should see some significant result once we take it out for dyno tuned. Previously, the power output that it produces is about 22.8 horsepower. I'm hoping to get more this time around, but we're gonna have to wait and see on that one. I'll share with you guys in the next video, so I can't wait, and I hope you guys are the same as I am. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.